What proof have you got that he stole the bike, mate?
He said he stole the bike,
So
sir.
why did you stop?
Let me explain to you.
Where is it?
I've seen you cycling the wrong way down the road. It's one bad thing.
Oh my God, you got nothing better to do. Are you being serious? That's what you're stopping him for. It takes all these police to stop him for a minor traffic infraction. Oh, you lot are something else, man. You lot are something else.
Probably in the head, but still you stopped us. Okay? As we go to the revolving door, the brother got the traffic. And then one of the trees we were past the whole time.
Yeah, what's wrong with me wearing a mask?
There was intelligence to suggest that.
What intelligence? Anyone?
Laughable. Laughable, laughable, absolutely laughable. Absolutely laughable, absolutely laughable. And that's what I'm videoing it. Absolutely laughable. I know. Intimidation.
Hurry up.
What was said.
I don't have time to
One of you, brother.
Unnecessary, you know. A traffic infringement on his bicycle.
Gonna take one of you to talk to.
Take the piss, man.
Leave it on. Leave that on. Yes, I'm not removing your clothing.
Searching him for what? What do you think he's got on him? You lot ain't got nothing better to do with yourself, though.
My name's PCQ.
Piss take, man. Absolutely piss take. You know what they're stopping him for? Infringement on his bike, you know, on his bike.
Attached solution police station. Anyone's stopping search.
You lot are shit cunts, man, seriously.
You can get out from Lucian police station for the next 3 months.
Absolutely fucking shit cunts all over. Huh?
Just doing on checks. If he ain't got nothing.
Oh, come on, man. Why the heavy-handedness?
Not heavy-handed.
Four of you for a minor.
Happens that way.
Oh, come on, man. If that was a white boy, that wouldn't be happening. I don't care what you lot got to say.
No difference at all, mate. It's just four of us having to be on the carrier.
Come on, man. It just makes the. You're supposed to be in the community to help this.
If there's nothing to do, if he's got nothing with him, then there's nothing to worry
I just think it's heavy-handed.
Right.
Four. Okay, someone driving by thinks it's criminal of the century, yeah? Why does it take so much heavy-handedness now?
Of the century. That's the thing. We're on a carrier, so there's going to be many of us on the carrier. Right? It's nothing to do with the person that we just stopped. The reason there's four of us is not because of the boy.
This doesn't help relations with the community when people see this stuff.
I understand.
Okay, and I understand you taking the time out to tell me. I understand.
At the end of the day, if he's got nothing on him,
No, it's the embarrassment and the humiliation. Look how you got him up. Why not put him in the van? If you're going to search him, why can't you search him in the van? You got to do it on the road so he looks like he's done something. And then when it turns out he hasn't done nothing, he's the one embarrassed. Why don't you take him in the van and search him? But you've got to do it so the whole world can see. Nah, man, it's not on. Not on. You lot take the fucking piss.
No need for that language, is there?
I'm an adult. If I want to swear, I'm not swearing at you. If I want to swear, I can swear, mate. Okay, so now you're going to nick me, yeah?
Well, there's just no need for that language.
Oh,
is there?
come on,
You've got
man.
to set an example, haven't you? You've got young children there.
Set,
You're swearing.
set an example. You need to set an example. Why not search him in the van?
It's none of your business.
I'm asking you a question, so you can't answer that question, then, no?
I can, but I don't have
Okay,
to.
you don't. Okay, because you don't have. Okay, cool.
Why do we have to answer
Cool.
to you?
Because you serve the public and I'm the public, so you do have to answer. Oh, I swore once. Don't make a big mountain out of it. Everyone swears, mate. Everyone's. Because you could handle the situation differently. You could take him in the van and search him.
Your opinion.
You could take him in the van. Because to spare him the embarrassment. But you don't care,
Let
though.
me tell you what would happen
Yeah?
then. What would happen then is that people would go, why are you taking him in the van? Why are
It's
you
the
trying to
public
hide?
embarrassment and
Why are you
humiliation
trying to hide
of
what
stopping
you're doing? That's what they would say.
a minor on the
So
street
there's
and acting like he's a
argument
terrorist.
both ways,
You know you're wrong. You know you're
No, I'm
wrong.
not wrong at all. Far from it. You are.
I'm not going to give you the satisfaction of arresting me. I know you're having a conversation with me because you want me to get angry and swear against you can arrest me. That's not going to happen, mate. Not going to happen, yeah? I'm making sure nothing happens to this guy. And that's why I'm filming it. And then you wonder why the communication between people in the inner cities and the police is the way it is. You can handle the situation much differently. No, but you've got to come over mob-handed like he's some kind of terrorist. Take him in the van and search him to spare the embarrassment. But you don't care about that, though, do you? Though you don't need to talk to me. I don't need to talk to you now. Conversation's over.
Stop talking then.
You're not going to wind me up. I know what you're trying to do, mate. You're not winding me up. Yeah, okay. Film all you want, mate. Is this how your day? Is this how you
talking?
Is this what makes your day?
You said you weren't talking.
I'm not talking to you.
Well, who are you talking to then?
I'm not talking to you.
Who are you?
I'm not talking to you.
Just talking
I'm not
out
talking.
loud.
Yes, I am. What is
So
that?
you don't
Is that
actually
is that a
want a
crime?
response?
Is that no? I don't want a response. No.
it was a question.
No, no, no. I know the answer. It's a rhetorical question. I know the answer.
So
Yeah.
everything you say is rhetorical, is it?
Listen, why are you talking to me? I don't want to talk to you. No, no, no. Conversation's done. When I tried to talk to you, you weren't having a bar of it.
I don't need to listen.
When
That's what I'm saying.
I was talking to you,
When
you
you're
weren't having a
talking, I
bar
don't
of
need to
it.
listen.
Now you
Right.
want to talk. I'm going to talk.
I
No.
don't need to
Conversation's
listen.
done.
As long as
In
I don't
fact,
have to
can
listen.
I take down your badge number? Yeah.
Okay, here we go. You got it?
I have indeed. And your name.
There you go.
You lot need to be called to justice for shit like this, man. Seriously.
There you go. Bad language again.
I'm 48, mate. If I want to say shit, I say shit. That's it, yeah?
Good example you're setting.
Mate. Get their numbers and report it if they're harassing you. Take down their numbers, man. In fact, I'll help you. Liberty. 5 officers for 1 minor. Oh, come on, man. You can't tell me if that was a white dude, he wouldn't be stopped.
Oh, here we go. There comes the colour.
Oh, yeah, the old chestnut. Yeah, the old chestnut, yeah?
You're racist.
It's factual. It's
You're
factual,
racist.
mate. Do you want to know my experiences?
You're bringing colour
Because
into it.
if I told you my experiences with the police, you can understand why I'm the way I am.
different.
Yeah?
Nobody
Oh,
stereotypes.
come on.
If we
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, you
stereotype, you
do.
wouldn't like it, would
Yes,
you?
you do.
Don't
Most
stereotype
of you,
us.
most of you
You're
are a bad
stereotyping.
bunch.
You're racist.
Most of you are a bad bunch. There's 1 or 2 which are okay.
Well, you're being racist.
It's
Bringing
factual.
colour into
It's
it.
factual. It's factual. How can I not bring colour when I see it every day? I've experienced 48 years on this planet with harassment from police. So obviously I'm going to have a certain mindset. I
You're going to
know.
have a bias, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
And you're
Yes, I am.
responding to that bias, and that's it.
Okay.